I need your input on Thermador oven troubleshooting.
Their ovens have problems cooking to temperature, though whether you want to simply add cook time or increase the temperature is your decision.
Their ovens are pre-programmed with a lot of recipes. Pick the recipe per the type of food and manual recommendations and you're good to go.
You can pick the settings in the manual, and you still need to add 5 to 15 minutes to the timer to have the food actually done.
I have not had that problem very much, and making sure it wasn't in a thick pan or layered with foil was the solution.
Do not cover the vents with foil or the thing can't circulate the air properly, but extra cooking time is a common solution to its food not coming out right.
I knew not to line the bottom with foil, if only because it could short things out.
Thermador ovens have problems with overheating.
The self-cleaning cycle tends to overheat the electronics in some brands, and it can make the paint off the outside and enamel in the inside of the oven flake off too.
This is overheating, and not just in the self-cleaning cycle. Thermador's ovens have issues with smoke building up, though the solution for that is replacing the blowers.
It's an oven, not a furnace.
Fine, the fan. If the fan's not working, that could explain uneven heating. The section above the heating element burns while the rest is undercooked. And if the whole thing overheats, the boiling element may need to be replaced too, though that's as likely to be the cause of an oven that won't preheat.
If the oven was overheating like that, I'd expect the thermal fuse to kick in.
It might, but only after the thing is smoking. And the control panel being replaced tends to be the best solution to errors power cycling does not fix.
What goes wrong with this oven I can fix myself.
Sometimes it starts beeping incessantly.
I'd shut it off at the breaker if it did that.
When it does that, that's exactly what you have to do. Turning it back on after the power in the unit dissipates usually solves the problem.
That's power cycling the unit.
That's what you have to do to try to resolve erratic sensor error codes too.
Assuming the solution is not replacing the sensor. Or can you calibrate them?
Thermador oven thermostats may go out entirely, but they don't get recalibrated. They just get replaced.
I've heard that the replacements are not always available.
I think it was Bosch that bought Thermador, and a lot of replacement parts for several-year-old ovens aren't available anymore.
Then the solution is getting a replacement oven by someone else.